Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your Jis News for October 18. Cabinet members are now on a retreat to discuss matters of national importance. Negotiations with the International Monetary Fund and other economic issues are expected to be high on the agenda for the government ministers. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller confirmed the venue and purpose of the retreat at a public forum in St. Catherine Wednesday evening.
And the cabinet retreat will be at Jamaica House. And that decision was taken long ago because I told them we do not have the money to afford going for 2 or 3 days to any hotel when we understand the economic challenges.
Meanwhile, the Prime Minister has instructed ministers, parish councillors and government agencies to follow up on the issues raised in Wednesday's public forum in St. Catherine. Reiterating her belief that people should be at the centre of governance, Mrs. Simpson Miller said her administration remained committed to developing the nation through community building. As it regards St. Catherine, she highlighted the need for public-private partnership to develop the parish capital into a model town.
I am mandating the parish council to work with the police to find ways and means of addressing the traffic congestion in Spanish Town, to improve the conditions in the Spanish Town market, and work closely with other stakeholders, including the business community, to repaint sections of the town.
The St. Catherine event was the first in a series of public fora to engage the public on key aspects of national development. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, will be increasing its investigative capacity after receiving £1.5 million in budgetary support from the UK Department for International Development, DFID. In June, INDECOM began receiving the funds, which will be disbursed over a 3-year period. INDECOM Commissioner Terence Williams says the support has made it possible for the Commission to purchase a comparison microscope and outfit a laboratory to use the equipment for its ballistic examinations. He says this will increase the Commission's ability to close cases in a timely manner. The money is also being used to engage the services of a ballistics expert and train and certify INDECOM's forensics and investigative personnel in ballistics examination. The Agriculture Ministry and a Birmingham-based distributor are in talks to establish a significant distribution hub in that UK city for Jamaican goods. Head of Jampro's United Kingdom and European office, Lawrence Jones, says the agency intends to leverage the exposure that Jamaican goods received during the 2012 Olympics to increase local exports to the Midlands. He is urging Jamaican entrepreneurs to do more to take advantage of opportunities available to them in the EU by working with Jampro. The Lower House of Parliament on Tuesday debated and passed a bill amending the Consumer Protection Act. The amendments are to improve the Act and strengthen the Consumer Affairs Commission's authority to resolve customer disputes.
The widening of the powers of the CAC to include provision of legal representation, consumer protection. Establishment of a hearing commission or tribunal. Strengthening of the provisions relating to warranties and increasing fines for breach.
And finally, the Kingston and St. Andrew Health Department says it has stepped up its mosquito eradication activities, inspecting over 1,500 premises and fogging 122 communities last week. They've also inspected 2,893 containers and treated 1,196 in which the dengue-transmitting Aedes aegypti mosquito was found breeding. The activities are in keeping with the Health Ministry's intensified dengue control program to arrest the outbreak of the illness. Kingston and St. Andrew accounts for half of the 1,425 suspected cases. In response, the authorities are also inspecting dump sites, tire shops, and garages for mosquito breeding sites. Government, meanwhile, continues to appeal to persons to protect themselves against mosquito bites and to search for and destroy mosquito breeding sites in their environs.
We need to ensure that we protect not only ourselves, we need to protect the children and others in our communities as well.
And that's it for Jis News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.